How to rank pages on Google with Chatgpt. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with Chatgpt to actually elevate your website. So let's get into it. Now, let's say I have a Shopify store and I want the Shopify store to grow. I want more visitors and I'm trying to rank my pages, and it's called Den clothing, and there might be multiple different keywords I'm trying to target. So how can I get the pages to rank with ChatGPT? It really doesn't make any sense. Oh, you might think, okay, maybe I can ask it to write me some SEO optimized, product descriptions or metadata, but is that really going to be enough? And really, is it that effective? Well, ChatGPT is an amazing tool, and the more complex and detailed prompt that you provide to ChatGPT, the better it will be able to rank your pages on Google. And we don't have to learn all these difficult prompts. We actually have another tool for this, and this is a Chrome web extension called AIPRM for ChatGPT. So you just want to go onto your Chrome web store and you want to search for this AIPRM. Then you're just going to click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and then this will be added. We're going to pin it over here. And now I'm just going to allow this to use ChatGPT. You have to complete the sign up. You can connect with your Google account like this. And after that, I'm going to click on Continue, just like so. And after that, they will give you a verification email address. So we're just going to continue on over here. Just open up your email address and we are just going to get this confirmation. Click here to confirm and then we will connect with ChatGPT. Now, once you have completed this, you can click on Start Working in ChatGPT. And this will actually change the appearance of your ChatGPT. So once you open up ChatGPT with AI PRM, you will just click on Continue. So this is what your actual AI PRM ChatGPT will look like. I have completed my installation, and you can see there are so many different prompts that are provided by their specific prompt writer. So AI PRM actually just allows you to create amazing prompts, and those prompts can help you rank better on Google. So instead of having to, do all of my SEO research, you can see over here you have things like a fully SEO optimized article including FAQs, outrank article. You also have human written 100% unique optimized SEO article. You have a buyer persona legend where it can generate detailed user personas for your business. They also have mid-journey prompts, but we are looking for specific marketing SEOs. So what you're going to do is you can click on the top left over here, click on marketing. And once you do that, you can see the different marketing tools that are available. So you can also just search for social media and marketing, the Instagram descriptions, SEO optimizers, and you also have local master plan SEO generator. So we are just going to add that, and then you just have to type in the name of business and where it's located. So let's say it's Dead Clothing in LA. And after that, it will just begin to write the important things that I need to do for local SEO. Now, to rank on Google, there are so many other things other than just, just marketing. You have multiple different things like your keyword strategy. So to rank your pages, first off, you want to go into the SEO section, then go into e-commerce SEO, or you have just keyword strategy. So I want to go with keyword strategy first because it's a more generalized prompt. And you can create an entire content plan from one keyword. So let's say I want to start ranking. So let's say I have a product page and my product page is called, I'm going to go into my pages section. And let's say I just want to rank my homepage, which is Dead Clothing, which is the name of my business. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on back to ChatGPT. And I just want to rank for this keyword. So what it's going to do is not only is it going to provide me with keyword clusters, but the search intent. So what kind of customers am I going to find with this kind of meta description and with this kind of title, what kind of item am I going to, what kind of search intent is there going to be. So all of these are commercial search intent. Now after that, instead of having just one specific product keyword, we have category, brand, product. We can go on ahead and use another one. So let's say I'm going to go back in over here and I will ask it to write it like this, and then you can even ask it to rewrite the response so it will give you more answers to the same question that you might have, to the same SEO keyword. Now after that, you even have a keyword generator. So let's say I'm going to ask it keywords related to my specific prompt. So I can include these in my website metadata, so on and so forth. But I'm going to go on ahead and to better my ranking on pages, I'm going to go on to keyword strategy once more. And let's say you want to rank for something like aesthetic t-shirt. So let's say I'm trying to target this because that is what my brand is focusing on. So what this will do is it will provide me multiple different search intents rather than just having commercial search intents. You can even have informational content that you can upload on your website, on your clothing store. You can even go with blogs. You can write blogs on that, and it even provides you with the meta descriptions that you're supposed to add to get better rankings on any search platform. So you guys can see I have multiple different titles. I have informational titles, then it's going to go back down to commercial ones as well. And this can help me in ranking my pages higher on any kind of search engine. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with using this amazing prompt on ChatGPT to elevate your business and get higher rankings for your website with ChatGPT. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.